Today, we will learn about some more purchases under GST in Tally Prime. Nil Rated Purchases. The purchase of nil rated goods from a local or interstate supplier does not attract GST and can be recorded using a purchase voucher. In the ledger masters of the goods or services classified as nil rated, taxability should be set to nil rated in the GST details screen. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, select F9, select the applicable purchase ledger, select the stock items and enter the quantity and rate. Press Ctrl A to save. Depending on the location of the party, you can record a local or interstate nil rated purchase transaction. Exempt Purchases. The local or interstate purchase of goods or services exempted from GST can be recorded using a purchase voucher. In the ledger masters of the exempted goods or services, taxability should be set to exempt in the GST details screen. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, select F9, select the applicable purchase ledger, select the stock items and enter the quantity and rate. Press Ctrl A to save. Taxable deemed exports within the state. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, select F9, select the party located within the state predefined with the options Consider party as deemed exporter for purchases set to yes, party type set to deemed export, select the purchase ledger of intra-state deemed export nature of transaction, select the stock items, enter the quantity and rate, press enter to save. Taxable deemed exports outside the state. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, select F9, select the interstate party predefined with the options Consider party as deemed exporter for purchases set to yes, party type set to deemed export, select the purchase ledger of interstate deemed export nature of transaction, select the stock items and enter the quantity and rate. Press enter to save. Purchase of works contract services. You can record a material out delivery note voucher if you have sent material to works contractor. Then record a purchase invoice when you receive the service. Under GST, you need to report only the purchase invoice for works contract. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, select F9, press Ctrl plus H to select the required voucher mode, accounting invoice in this case. In party account name, select the supplier's ledger, enter the supplier invoice number and date. In party account name, select the supplier's ledger, select the purchase ledger and enter the amount. Ensure the purchase ledger has details as shown in the screen. Select the GST ledgers based on the state selected for the supplier ledger. Press Ctrl plus I to view the tax details. Press Alt plus F5 to view the detailed breakup of tax. Press Escape to return to purchase invoice. Press Ctrl plus A to save. Purchase returns in GST. You can record purchase returns or de-escalation of the purchase value against an earlier purchase transaction using a debit note. You can use the voucher mode of credit note to record the escalation of purchase value. Go to the gateway of Tally, select vouchers, select F10 or select debit note and press enter. In party account name, select the party from whom the original purchase was made. In the party details screen, enter the original invoice number and date of the original purchase transaction against which you are recording the purchase return. Select the central and state tax ledgers. Set the option Provide GST details to yes if you want to enter additional details about the transaction. When the seller has not uploaded the credit note, the buyer has to upload the debit note from the viewpoint of outward supply. Hence, the list of reason for issuing note is same in debit note and credit note. Sales return. When there is a return of goods or services after sales. Post-sale discount. When discount is allowed on goods or services after sales. Deficiency in services. When there is a deficiency in services after sales. Correction in invoice. When there is a change in the invoice raised that leads to change in tax amount. Change in POS. When there is a change in place of supply that leads to change in tax amount. Finalization of provisional assessment. When there is a change in price or rate after the department issues a notification about the finalized price of the goods or services. Others. Any other nature of return. Press Ctrl A to save. Similarly, you can record purchase returns against an interstate purchase by selecting the relevant party, purchase ledger and integrated tax ledger. Under GST invoicing rules, issuing of supplementary invoice has not been defined. You can record the adjustment to purchases using debit or credit note. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.